Yes. All right, welcome back. Another night. And today I've decided to work on combo attacks. So we need to figure out how to make a combo attack. Let's start with the basic concept. The basic concept of a combo attack is an attack that can be interrupted with another attack. For example, in Street Fighter 6, you can press jab straight into jab without going into the recovery frames. Additionally, uh, JP has a combo attack where he does heavy kick, which is just a big kick, and then heavy punch, which is where he swings his stick. That's also another example of combo attack. Um, so in order to deal with the combo attacks, I need to figure out a few things. First off, currently in Start Attack, in the Attack Manager, there's no check for when he's attacking his script. So let's put in ahead of time a check for this being true. Um, and then just put a comment, check for combo attack. Then start. Alright, so let's go to our attack manager and just make a quick attack. Call it heavy punch. No, heavy punch. 1. And then make another one. So just Control C and Control V. Heavy punch 2. So let's add a bunch of frames. 6 names. I made this too small last time. There we go. Let's go with something long, like 23, 25. Alright. Let's go into 2D. On frame 10, let's add a hurt box just to show us something. These will be auto set. Fix color. Hurt box, move it around. Let's put it on top of our head just to check. Because it doesn't need to actually do anything itself. Fix names. Then let's add a node here, just a node saying this frame needs a combo attack. Alright. So let's think about the ways we can do this. If we want to check whether or not there is a combo attack, actually, let's identify this as before we think about that. Let's identify this as something where you can start the combo attack. Can start the combo attack. Okay. Additionally, I want another thing here just to identify that at this point can no longer start the combo attack. All right. So between frames 15 and 20, that's when we can choose to start a combo attack or not. All right. So that's Heavy Punch 1. It has a hurt box that will be flashed to identify that it's been started. Heavy Punch 2, which will be the next one. Let's add a bunch of frames, fixed names, 10 frames, that's good. We will add a hitbox here. Check data. Add a hitbox. Fix this name. Go to the attack data. I believe I have launch count coded. Hit type, mid. Stun duration, on block, 10. Block distance, 10, 100. Hit stun duration, 50. Hit back distance vector, 1000. Actually 2000. And X. Since it's 2000 and X minus 100 and Y. Damage 500. Stun away. Okay. Alright, so let's add another one. Let's add another attack. And rename this to Heavy Punch 2A. And Heavy Punch 2B. And then this one will be very short. Fix names. Let's add a hurt box instead of a hit box to identify that we've done this one instead. Add hurt box. Aim fix 2D. Move this hurt box to here. Okay. These are getting annoying to work with because they're just blocking everything on the screen. Alright, what else is there? These are gonna get annoying at some point when it comes to looking at them. I need to be able to toggle visibility and stuff. But we have these, so yeah, that should be fine. Need to disable that one. Just these, and what's still labeled? Knockdown. Okay. really wish they didn't do this so much. Okay. If I run this, do I see all of them or do I just see those? Great. That's perfect for me. Epic. Alright. Yep, that makes sense. Okay. Alright, so now that we have that, let's make sure we can actually, use Heavy Punch. Heavy Punch, assign Heavy Punch 1. Go into Input Manager, choose Action, Light Kick, Light Punch, Heavy Kick, Control C, Enter, Control V, Heavy Punch. That's not Punch, 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 and Punch. Alright. If it is false, cool. Um, do I have a reference to the attack manager? Yes. I believe the attack manager has current attack. So let's simply go down here, the first indent here, else if it player dot is attacking. Remove some of these. Pass for now. So if we're attacking is true, this means we want to check the attack manager. Attack manager dot current attack, probably. All right. Let's see. Let's go to current attack, switcher, and attack here, and go to their variables. Export category frames, active frames. I just have it there. Tool buttons. So this is an attack script. Okay, so combo attack. Shift at export var combo attack 1. Colon. Takes an attack. 2. Let me do an array of attacks. Okay. And then Control S just quickly. It currently is nil. Size to assign. Yes, this works how I want it to. Epic. Epic. Perfect. Um, is this the thing I want, though? I don't want this. Not sure. Okay, let's get something working then. So, first off, add 2A and 2B. just simply do that. Right. Go to the input manager. Dot com dot combo attacks is if this thing is not null equals null. Can I put in continue? No. Return, I think. A break would work. Else, so something's in the array. Alright. Ooh, not everything is set to pressed. That's important. Okay. So we have that. Heavy punch works. Now, I'm gonna double check what a dictionary is. I'm not sure. Okay. So if it's not null, then we need to do combo attacks. So how do we check for a combo attack? Well, first off, we know that there are combo attacks. What we don't know is what we need to press in order to activate this combo attack. Okay, go visit bathroom soon. So we have our combo attacks. But what do I press in order to do the attack? And I want to do it in a way where I have a choice between what I press, giving me a different output if I press it. So, not sure. I need to go to the bathroom first, so let me do that. Alright, I have returned. I now realize that I forgot to turn on the BRB screen. Alright, so let's start with the really simple thing. Dot okay. Current attack dot combo attacks. So if that's not null, attack manager current attack. So take this. Let's start an attack. And then pass in this value. 0. Additionally, n attack dot active frame equals 0. So then, first off, let's just go this. Current attack equals an attack is attacking equals true. And attack dot active frame equals 0. Control C. the current attack dot active frame equals 0? Question mark. Um, does it matter what active frame that is? Because what's the actual reason for active frame? Current attack on active frame, current attack on active frame. Alright. If we reset it when the attack starts, let me put it this way. Does this get ever used here? No. So I don't technically need it. Okay. STR. Alright. If I press the button, let's see what happened. Nothing came out. Heavy punch 1 was pressed. What's this false print check? Okay. Let me see if there's another print. Maybe jump handler? Dash, because that print statement's like a little annoying. Dash, no print here. Input handler, let me go to the jump handler. 2. Searching for print. No, no, no. Ground dash, no. Ground dash, no. Component is dashing. Alright, so that gets rid of that. Heavy punch is press. Nothing. Alright. I need to print this. Here. Heavy punch. No. What is checked? It's still false? What? I'm sorry? Okay, so we're using this, not the player. This is used 8 times. So that's a choice. Okay, I want it to be 1. singular thing. I think almost all entities will have an attack type stuff, right? Wrong. No, not all entities. What if it's a still entity that isn't attacking is more like an NPC check? Alright, let's change this from player to attack manager dot is attacking. Control F player dot is underscore attacking. Where's the other check? Here, okay. This is just those two. Right, run it. Press the button. True combo, combo. It prints combo question mark twice, so we are getting to this part. Okay. So it's repeatedly starting. So I need some kind of check here. So second is attacking, current combo attacks. Yeah, equals null. What's the check here? If input dot is action pressed heavy punch for now. I think this would work for now. Run it. And 25. Yes, that's a problem. Okay. Fine. What is this? Let me see. True. Okay, let's try that again. That fixed it. 10 frames. 10 frames. Okay, that came out. That's good. That's good. That's good. What that means is we successfully did a combo attack, technically, but we don't have any of the other setup that I want for doing the combo attack part that I do like it to be. Okay, we have successfully done a combo attack. So it comes out immediately, which is the first problem. So let's add a second condition, and this dot current attack dot, I need a new property. Var can underscore combo. This defaults to false. And then on the frames, what? Entity base, no, attack manager. And, okay, in the continue attack, how do I want to change the boolean? So it's in the attack, so 10 combo. I want to toggle it on frame 15 and toggle it back on frame 20. Let's do a function here that says toggle frames or something. We have active frames here, so can combo. First off, additionally, I should also do a variable for is underscore combo shift attack colon bool equals false. That's just is combo is mid combo attack. So for this, save that. These two probably exist somewhere. Let me export this. Save scenes. Is mid combo attack. Why are you dying? Okay. This I want to say is a mid combo attack. Same with this. Now I want a function that's just func toggle underscore can combo. And set, maybe. Sure, we have that now. Is that what I want though? Or do I want something that toggles this from starting frame to end frame? So if Control C active frame equals another Boolean var at export var combo or start colon um, start frame and end frame. Both of these need int type. Okay. Colon this equals TRE double Control C B L false and end frame. And or no, 15 and 20. And then all this. Alright, now it says can combo or something. So if we go to the input manager, let's just check attack manager dot current attack dot can combo. Okay, let's go to frame by frame mode probably as well. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The attack comes out. 15 can combo should change. Combo with something changes the attack. So the first frame that gets cancelled is frame 15, or is it? So I progress through 15 frames. After frame 15, I start frame 1. So that's 16 frames before I actually get the attack out. The attack came out, and we're now just off. Okay, epic. Now let's add an input check. Nope, not what I wanted to do. Ow. Okay. Heavy punch, input frame mode. Screen 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hold the button. Next. No, it's off. Okay, let's try again. But this time at 19. 19, hold the button, starts the combo. Okay, so it comes out after frame 15, I think. Yeah, the earliest it came out was 15. The latest that can come out is 19. However, the numbers we have set here are 15 and 20. The start frame of the attack is 1 frame after 15 and exactly on 20, which is not cool. It's not consistent. So we have a combo attack. That's the last frame it can come out of. Let's put a comment here. Combo attack will come out the frame after the start frame at the earliest. And the frame after and at the latest right after the end frame. To do right now, just in case something happens, and is mid combo attack. What do I need? Why do I have this? What is the purpose of this? Mm, I don't know. Okay. Does this theoretically also allow for special move input? quarter circle left. Heavy punch, please. And I want this to the right because that's just what I'm used to. That's that's crazy. That came out on 13, which is a problem. The first one came out on 15 properly. Okay, so this problem is caused by not setting the combo attack property to false at the end of an attack. So, can combo attack is never reset. Um, if the attack is cancelled. Or if it's equal to 0, one check for right permit. Came out on frame 13, that's bad. First one 15, second one 13. Came out on 10. Does it reset to 0 in the attack manager? I just deleted that line. Yeah, it's not reset in the attack. No, actually, just set attack dot can combo equals false. Just reset that. What am I doing all this complicated stuff for in the attack? Don't need to check. Did I remove the Boolean? Just mid combo attack. No, it did not. The mid combo attack part doesn't make sense. The combo attack part does make sense. So it's four frames. NG. So attack manager is attacking. Combo attacks empty. I think this is good progress. Alright, so let me double check that if I clear this and run it. I've got no way to get them out. Alright. Control Z. There you go. It's back. Perfect. So this just starts the first one. Hmm. So I like the array for being able to be any size I want, but if that's the case, what attack button do I need to press, or just button in general do I need to press in order to bring out the combo attack? Right. It can't be the same button because that can just make it annoyingly difficult in some spots. Java is a simple one that actually would make most sense to use this. I'm thinking of pressing releasing the button. Um, I don't know if that's a good idea. Right, let's think about this current problem. How do I give a choice for the attack with a specific button press? Here is one way to solve the problem that I don't think I like. I make a second array that's combo attack button link or button reference that stores the number that corresponds to the button I want to be pressed. I don't like it. It might work. Another thing is I make the combo attacks an array with another array in it. This second array contains an attack array and a button array and does the same thing as before, where the same index would have the button that corresponds to it. I like version 2 a little bit more than I like version 1 of having a separate array because then they're still in one same spot. Can a resource have an export button? Um, yes. I can make a new resource every single time for each attack combo that stores the attack and the button needed to be pressed. I don't know what would be the best decision for this. We've got all these. We could just take heavy punch, heavy kick, light punch, light kick. Maybe EX punch and EX kick as well. So this row entirely could be an enumeration that's stored in the attack as well. Well, first off, I want a consistent reference to the thing, so I will just flip this in the attack. So we got that now. Might need to be higher up. I'll think about this problem another time, I think. I should go to sleep and call it a night. I can't change the structure. If I did, that would be a problem. Okay. End it here. Don't forget to save the damn thing. And I'll see you some other time.